Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today we are packing! Yeah, that's right, I have got my little cabin suitcase out because we're going to Porto, people. I literally went to Lisbon last year in May and I absolutely fell in love with the place. So yeah, me and James are now going to go to Porto and I'm super excited for just a weekend trip. We go in for 3 nights, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. It's supposed to be a very mixture of weather, so it's like 14, 15, 16 degrees, sunshine and also rain. So yeah, so I'm just thinking of what I can pack right now, but I think we're there. I've got everything laid out on my bed. So yeah, I'm excited now to just get everything packed all ready and yeah, go to the airport tomorrow. So I've literally laid everything out on my bed. So all these clothes are what I'm thinking of taking with me. Now I find it so much easier just to lay everything out on my bed because then I know whether like the clothes go well with each other and create outfits. So then once I'm there, it's so easy for me then to just put on an outfit and ready for me to go rather than actually spending like half an hour trying to find something to wear, don't know what to wear, and then I'm losing my time basically to go and explore. So yeah, so these are the outfits that I've actually decided to go with. So I'm thinking of travelling in my navy blue trousers with a white vest top and my cardigan, and then I've got a trench coat to go over the top, and then I'm thinking of taking my black trousers with me because, you know, they're just great, they're so comfortable as well and they're a bit lightweight as well. So yeah, I'm thinking 2 pairs of trousers, and then I've got a white t-shirt, a stripy t-shirt, and then I've also got a navy striped jumper as well, and I'm thinking about taking this jacket with me as well, just to add a little bit of fun if I can get it inside my suitcase. So yeah, these are the outfits I'm thinking of taking, and like I said, I've got my trench coat as well, which I'm going to take on top, and then I've got my black Kate Spade bag as well, which I will wear going to the airport. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking of taking. Lightweight, capsule, easy peasy. I do actually have, which will be released actually by the time this video goes out, I've actually created a city break style guide called First Class Fits. I know, what a name. So I've created that, which basically is, I've created a capsule wardrobe. I've also added in a formula in there as well, which will be very helpful and very handy for when you come to packing for your suitcase, so it doesn't become a chore anymore and you don't think, oh my god, what am I going to pack? In this city break style guide, it gives you everything. So it literally makes your packing so much easier. It makes your trip so much easier because you're not faffing around, you're not spending your time trying to find an outfit where it's all done for you. It gives you outfit inspirations and everything. So you are so welcome. But yeah, and it's only £11.11, so bargain. But yeah, I'll leave the link to that down below in the description box. But yes, let's start putting stuff in the suitcase. So I've just packed everything into my suitcase. You can see here I've got my PJs, I've got my tops, and then I've got my trousers, and then I've now got all my toiletries to put in. So I've got my hairbrush, my shaver, I need to put in my toothbrush and my floss, but obviously I can't do that until the morning. Then I've got my shampoo, like all my toiletries and everything, my Vaseline because my lips get so dry, and then I've got my skincare, which I'm absolutely obsessed with the fact that LMS does like little tiny miniature pots, which I love because I love using LMS, and the fact they have little miniature versions which I can take them on holiday with me, so I don't have to take like my big ones, which is just amazing. And then I've got my little mini tripod which I can walk around Porto with me. I just attach my phone and then I can just walk around with it, or I can prop it on the table, like anything like that. So yeah, that's coming with me. And then I've got my purse, and then I've got my bag that I'm going to be taking with me to the airport. I also need to go and get my passport as well. And then I think that's pretty much it. I've got to put my medication in tomorrow morning, take that with me. But other than that, I think we're all good. And then, yeah, just get everything sorted for tomorrow because I'm leaving quite early. I think we're leaving like 7:15, so it's not massively early, but it's still early for me. So yeah, just get everything ready for me for tomorrow morning. So then it's all set, ready to go, and all I have to do is just put on my clothes and just run out the door. So yeah, I'll just put these last little bits in my suitcase, and then I think we're pretty much done. There we go, we are all packed. Got my toiletries, got my clothes, got my tripod. I've also got an umbrella because it's supposed to rain, so I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put my charger in the morning and my toothbrush in the morning, and then that's all done. And then this is my outfit that I'm going in: my cardigan, my vest top, my navy trousers, my trench coat, then my bag, my belt, and a new pair of trainers I actually got from Marks and Spencer's because my old white trainers were just dying pretty much. So I needed to get some new ones because we're going to do lots of walking. And then jewellery wise, I'm just going to wear them to the airport. So yeah, that's all, everything. I just need to get my passport, get my boarding pass, and then I'm all done. So yeah, simple, quick, easy. It didn't take me that long just to pack it because I have a wardrobe that works for me, and it's amazing to create such a capsule wardrobe with the stuff that I've already got. So yeah, if that's something you do struggle with, get in touch with me and we can sort that out, or grab the First Class Fits City Break Style Guide, and that will help you for the next time that you go on your city break. So yeah, that's me done. I am going to go and have a shower, wash my hair because I don't want to get up extra early. So I'm going to go do that, and then yeah, I'll see you in Porto. So yeah, see you in the next one.